One of the questions that I frequently get here on the channel after the release of the DJI Mini 2 is, does these prop guards from the Mini 1 fit the Mini 2? Let's find out. The way that you mount these are very simple. You simply just make sure that these latches, it's easier to show it here, these latches are open like this. Then you make sure the props are not in the way and you slide in the leg like this. And then you position each motor over each hole. And then you simply take this clip and press it into, it says click, like that. Why do we fly DJI drones? That's because they're easy to operate and they have a great camera. But do you sometimes struggle making photos good enough for Instagram? I do, and this is something that I would definitely like to get better at. This is why I took a crash course by Justin Bridges called Fundamental of Photo Editing, covering everything from apps to exporting. I found this course on Skillshare, that's also the sponsor of this video. If you don't know Skillshare, that's an online learning community that, much like Netflix, through an annual subscription offer you access to more than 20,000 courses. Skillshare's annual subscription fee is very affordable and comes in less than $10 a month. And the best part is you can try it out for free. The first 1,000 that click the link in the description will get access to a free trial of Skillshare Premium. Let's get back to the video. That way it's mounted very easily. Let's just try and repeat it with the other one. The flaps open like this. Slide in the Mini 2 like this. Close up the hatch here. So it says click. And we repeat the process with the last one here. Like that. So the conclusion is that the prop guards from the Mini 1, they fit very nicely on the DJI Mini 2. That's also not a big surprise because the exterior of these two drones are exactly the same. There could have been something with the arms that they have changed the design of those to accommodate the bigger motors, or the hub of the motor was different. But it seems that is not the case, so it fits nicely. So if you can pick up a set of these prop guards from the Mini 1, then you can use them on the Mini 2. By the way, do you like my content? If you do, then consider subscribing to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.